What classy women wear on vacation. I'm going to be sharing 8 amazing looks that you can wear at a resort, both swimsuits, 1-piece and 2 pieces, as well as cover-ups and some really amazing resort dresses. I'm also going to be sharing 4 mistakes that could be making you look old and frumpy on vacation, because let's be honest, no one wants that. So this is a great one. In fact, make sure you listen to this entire video, because mistake number 4 is the biggest mistake I see women making, and it is one you can easily fix very quickly. The first thing that classy women wear on vacation is they do wear all black. I don't know about you, but I think a woman dressed in all black, poolside or beachside, is just automatically so incredibly chic. This is a fabulous black cover-up. It comes with 2 pieces. As you'll see, I am wearing the white version here. It is under $100. It's from Revolve, and I absolutely love it. I paired it over this Cupshe black bikini. I love the gold detailing. It does have full coverage in the back, and I love that the top actually pushes up your boobs a bit too, so that's always a plus. And of course, I added a black straw hat and then these fabulous gold wedges. Okay, this is probably my favorite thing in my office right now, and it wasn't even on my radar a few months ago. I want to take a moment and thank Kaleido Clock for sponsoring this video. I had been looking for a clock for my office, and then I discovered the Kaleido Clock. It's incredibly stylish, fits perfectly with my decor, and honestly, it feels more like a beautiful design piece than just a clock. And I just love the way it looks on my beautiful marble countertop. One of my favorite features is that it comes with this simple remote, so you can easily change the clock face whenever you want. You can also set it automatically. It completely transforms the look depending on your mood or your space. You can also set it to rotate through different art collections every few minutes or every hour, so it always feels so fresh and never really looks the same twice, which I absolutely love, because I'm somebody that kind of needs a little change every once in a while. How about you? I also love decorating my home, and this has been one of those accessories for my office, almost the same way I'd pick out a great handbag or a beautiful piece of jewelry. It's functional, but it's also something that adds personality and elevates the entire room. I also think this would make a great gift for my nephew. He's actually graduating next year from high school, and I think this is exactly what I'm going to be getting him. So if you're looking for a fun way to elevate your home or office, I highly recommend this Kaleido Clock, and you can check it out down below in my description box if you're interested. Okay, mistake number 1 that I see women making at the beach, and I've actually made this mistake before, but never again, and that is going to the beach or going on vacation and not bringing a hat, because a hat will do 2 things. Number 1, it's going to cover up your crazy, humid, curly hair. If you're anything like me, my hair is literally the worst. It's like so frizzy, so crazy. I'm literally unrecognizable because my hair looks so bad when I'm at the beach, which is why I always bring a hat, because it allows me to cover up my crazy frizzy hair. Another thing that a hat does is it's going to keep the sun off of your face, and nothing makes us look older or ages us faster than sun damage. So you're kind of getting a like 2-for-1 when you wear your hat at the beach. And actually a third thing that I really didn't think of until just this second is, of course, when you wear a hat at the beach, you just automatically look chicer, look more fabulous, and look more stylish. And this hat, I love it. It's light blue. It's from Revolve. Such a great price. I paired it with this white cover-up set. Again, under $100. It's the same set as that black set I had on earlier. And then I paired it over this yellow bikini. This one is from Cupshe, so it is under $50. Such a great price. And I love this yellow shade. In fact, I just did a video on fashion psychology, and they say that when you wear the color yellow, it really boosts your joy. So if you want to check out that video and see how fashion can actually help you increase your confidence and up-level your life in all areas, definitely check that out. Now I get it, some of you absolutely will not wear a 2-piece on vacation, which is why I have provided you with some really chic and modern 1-pieces in this video. This is one of my favorite 1-pieces. It's a beautiful green shade. It's got this netting detailing over the top. It's cut high up on the legs, so it actually makes your legs look longer. It's very high quality. It's under $50 because this is also from Cupshe. It also comes in a beautiful navy blue shade, which I really love, and I'm pretty sure it comes in in 4 other colors, but this is like my all-time favorite one piece. I typically don't wear one pieces very often, but if I was going to, this would be the one, absolutely, and you cannot beat the price. I styled the navy one with this really cute cover up. It's like a mini skirt. It's also from Cupshe. It's very stretchy, very comfortable, and I just think it looked perfect paired with this amazing navy blue one piece. And then I went with these easy gold wedges. The next swimsuit I want to talk about, and you will definitely look chic at the beach if you wear this. This is a blue bikini, but it does offer full coverage in the back. I love this gorgeous blue shade. It's also got some gold hardware on it, so it looks very luxe and very expensive. However, it's also from Cupshe, so it's literally like under $40, if you can believe that. I paired it underneath this amazing cover up because you don't even have to take your cover up off. If you're at the beach and you want to look chic and you're a little bit insecure about wearing a bikini, well, you can wear your bikini and then just never take off your cover up, especially when it's as cute as this one. This is a long sleeve crochet ivory cover up that has matching shorts with it. I love this set. It is so fabulous. You could also wear this like in the morning if you wake up on vacation, you're going to go eat breakfast at the resort or whatever. This would be perfect. The next two-piece I want to talk about is an amazing baby blue bikini, also from Cupshe. I adore this color. The cut of this bikini is so incredibly flattering. The fabric is high quality. It feels good on my skin. And again, you just cannot beat the prices of these Cupshe bikinis. Mistake number 2 that I see some women making on the beach, making them look older, is wearing large printed cover-ups that are too big for you. Either it's a pair of, pants, like these large printed pants. When I wore them with this large, cover-up that's basically doing nothing for me because it's way too big, it looks very frumpy and I definitely look old. I also don't have on my hat, like I mentioned earlier, so my hair is crazy frizzy and it just looks terrible, and I'm obviously getting no sun protection. However, if you want to look more chic and youthful at the beach, toss the oversized cover up and go for something a little bit more fitted. You could wear these printed pants, but I would just wear them with a fitted top like I have here. This is a fitted crochet top, also from Cupshe, and so are the printed pants. These pants are so incredibly comfortable. They have an elastic waist, and I'm pretty sure they even have pockets. So these are just like the perfect thing to bring to the beach. You can wear them to dinner at night, but then you can also wear them to the beach over your swimsuit. Another fabulous dress that's coming on vacation with me when I go to the beach in August with my family. And if you love it as much as I do, I hope it gets to come on vacation with you too, because this is one fabulous resort wear dress. So incredibly chic. I love the white top with the black bottom. It has a slit up the side. It's also wrinkle free. It looks way more expensive than it really is, coming in at under $50. And by the way, it's so soft and so comfortable. Mistake number 3 that could be aging you at the beach is wearing clunky, big, like orthopedic sandals. Even Birkenstocks, don't hate me for saying that. And definitely don't wear your Crocs at the beach. I just think Crocs and Birkenstocks are very unflattering. I know some people wear them, and if you do, that's fine. Take what you like and leave the rest. But if you're being intentional about looking chic and modern and stylish at the beach, I would stay away from those chunky sandals. And instead, I would swap them for these fabulous gold flip-flops. These are by Dolce Vita. I think I got them off the DSW website. They're under $100. These are like my favorite flip-flops to bring to the beach because of the metallic shade. And they're just very simple and minimal. I also love these Carmen Soul gold wedges. These are guaranteed to make you look hot and sexy at the beach. So if that's the vibe you want, I would absolutely grab those wedges. And this is one of my favorite beachside looks. This is a fabulous burgundy cover-up. It's a dress that is sheer, and I paired it over the matching burgundy bikini. I will say this bikini has minimal coverage in the back, so this is not like a family vacation approved bikini. I would save this one if you're gonna go to the beach with your husband or your partner, but I loved this color. And actually this dress you could wear in the evenings to dinner. If you wore like a black cami dress underneath it, it would be so fabulous and just like the perfect combination of sexy and classy. And you definitely won't be looking old if you wear this outfit, I guarantee it. Another way to style those fabulous gold wedges is with this turquoise blue bikini. This is probably my #1 favorite bikini out of all the swimsuits that I own. I love this so much because it does have full coverage in the back, but not too full. So you definitely don't look frumpy or old in it. The gorgeous turquoise blue shade I think is so flattering on almost every single skin tone. And then I did pair it underneath this amazing chocolate brown cover-up from the Revolve website. Very chic and modern. It is not too oversized. It's obviously fitted, so it's very flattering. It's under $100. It does come in several different colors, and I really loved how it looked paired over this turquoise blue swimsuit. And mistake number 4, the one we've all been waiting for, and this could be the worst aging culprit of them all, and that is not wearing sunscreen on your face and not bronzing your skin. So first of all, I never go to the beach without this tinted moisturizer. It is by Alastin. It is a broad spectrum SPF 36. I wear this every single day of my life. I don't only take it on vacation with me, but I always wear it every single day. I have it on right now, and when I'm on camera, I will put a little bit more like concealer on and maybe like a light foundation over it. But even alone, this does offer pretty significant coverage without looking cakey, as you'll see here. So this is literally my holy grail. I love this tinted moisturizer, and because it has SPF, it's going to keep your face looking glowy and youthful. And the second beauty product I swear by that I never go to the beach without, and this is also another one that I use every single day, is this Gradual Tan Body Lotion. I love this. As you'll see, it gives my skin like this subtle bronzed look. I use it every single day, so it's gradual. And so I literally have this like subtle bronzed look all year round. It's perfect to wear at the beach because it also gives you this beautiful sheen. It's just like so pretty. Now, disclaimer, this does not have an SPF in it, so you would have to put an SPF on your body later on, like when you get out to the beach or when you get out to the pool, and that's okay because you're still going to have this really beautiful bronzed base. But I swear by this. I will absolutely be linking it down below in my description box, as well as everything else I talked about. I will also copy all of the links in my description box and pin them in a comment, so that's another way y'all can shop this video. And finally, you can use the YouTube shopping links, which basically little photos of the products will pop up underneath this video, and you just click that product and it will take you to the landing page. And thank you again for Clydo Clock for sponsoring this video. The link to purchase the clock will be down below in your description box. And if you want to turn your bedroom into a sanctuary like I did, I highly recommend grabbing it for yourself. And also leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite beach look was and what mistake you won't be making anymore now that you've listened to this video. And in case no one has told you yet today, I love you. You're amazing and beautiful just the way you are. I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.